Did Facebook disable your account unfairly? Here's the 3-step method that gets it back. Do you have access to your registered email or not? Let me know in the comments below. Submit ID through facebook.com/help/contact. Include case number written on paper. Email disabled@facebook.com daily. Polite and one-paragraph appeals work best. File a complaint at pbb.org. Meta responds to this within 72 hours. Visit a Meta office if nearby. In-person request gets priority. Is your account back? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.